As you can see, this site has paid over $250 million to their users all around the world. In this video, I will show you a free tool that will do all the work for you, and you can earn money online by signing up to 2 different platforms I'm gonna reveal you for absolutely free. And keep in mind, you can do this from anywhere in the world. It's completely free, no social media following is required, no experience, no skills, and it does not matter where you're coming from, as I always talk about worldwide strategies in this channel after researching for hours or even maybe days. So if you appreciate that, please like this video, give a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon. Come over to Guru.com. This is kind of similar to Fiverr. So as I said earlier, this platform has paid over $250 million to people all around the world. So at Guru.com, there are lots of different freelancing jobs, guys. And I'm going to show you another platform just like this, which is pretty much the same as Fiverr but with a low competition. And with the free tool that I'm going to reveal you soon, you can make money from these 2 platforms over and over again. Don't worry guys, you don't need any skills or experience to earn money here. So the second platform is Freelancer.com. And as the name suggests, you can do freelancing here. And as you can see over here, some massive companies like Amazon, Facebook, NASA, IBM, and Google are using this platform. And this is same as Guru.com. Here people come to sell different digital products and services such as graphic designs, websites, mobile apps, softwares, internet marketing, SEO, legal jobs, finance jobs, manufacturing jobs, logistics, and there are lots of opportunities to make money online via Guru.com and Freelancer.com. Well, if you have any skill, you can earn from your particular skill as well. But today we are going to provide only one particular service that will actually make more money without you having to lift a finger, because the tool is going to do the work for you for absolutely free, guys. And if you scroll down, you can see, so this package design costs $280, mobile design $600, logo design for $30, and most of them are graphics actually. This graphic design costs $110 and this one costs $60, and you can see how much money they charge for these. So literally thousands of dollars for all the categories available in both of these platforms. So let's sign up to these 2 platforms to start proceedings. So you have to go over to Earn Money Freelancing and complete this simple form. Give your email and the password, agree to the freelancer user agreement and privacy policy. Go to these links and read this if you want, and or else you can continue with Facebook with one click of a button. And then they ask the account type. So here you want to work, you don't want to hire. If you want to hire something, you can do that, but we are here to work, so click I want to work. And guys, here you have to give your top skills. If you have some skills, give them. If not, you have to give this. In this strategy, the service category that we'll be focusing is graphic design. And why we choose this is in really high demand on both Freelance and Guru. And there's not a lot of people that providing this service, unlike on Fiverr where you'll find many people providing this service. So it's really easy and perfect to jump on this, sell the service, and make a lot of money before the competition starts rising. And it doesn't matter if it rises, as you'll be in a better position if you start today. So you'll be a pro here when the competition gets higher. So here you have to choose design, media, and architecture. And if you are willing to sell some more digital products or services, you can choose those categories as well. But in this case, we are going for design, media, and architecture, and select graphic design, Photoshop, logo design, CSS, Illustrator, Photoshop design, illustration, photo editing, brochure design, banner design, Instagram marketing, and you can go through this and select some job skills related to graphic designing. And now we chose graphic design, Photoshop, logo design, CSS, Illustrator, Photoshop design. Do you have any graphic designing skills, guys? Good if you have, but don't worry if you don't have any. I'm giving you a free tool that will do that for you, and maybe a bonus tool in the end. So click next. You can link these accounts. I'm just keeping them and give your details, your photo, tell them what you do, describe yourself, And here you can describe your top skills, strengths and experiences. If you don't have any, just tell them that you are doing graphic designing from this year to this month. Tell them that you have been a graphic designer since this year and you have a lot of experience in graphic designing. Give the languages you speak and your birthday. So once you sign up for absolutely free and logged into your account, this will be your freelancer dashboard. And here you can see your earnings, and after you earn some money, you can withdraw from here by clicking this deposit button. And let's sign up to the other platform, guru.com. And here you have to go over to sign up, give your full name, email, agree to the privacy policy, terms of service and IP policy. You can read them as well and hit proceed. And if not, you can just sign up via Facebook, LinkedIn or Google by one click of a button. So now we have both freelancer and guru.com accounts. This will be your guru.com dashboard. So here if you search for graphic design, you'll find thousands of different people searching for graphic designs, various graphic designs. Here they search for a logo for window cleaning business. He says, I need a logo for my window cleaning business. We primarily clean residential windows, and he describes about his niche, and he will be paying up to $250 per that logo. Here also the same for a vintage logo, they'll be paying up to $250, guys. So here you can see that people are paying quite a bit of money for graphic design services, guys. And just before I'll show you the free tool, if you're enjoying this video and getting some value out of this video, like it, leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon with all notifications on. And now you can come over to canva.com, and here you can create different graphic designs such as Facebook posts, YouTube channel ads, LinkedIn banners, resumes, postcards, and here you can create logos as well, business cards, flyers, posters, brochures and many more, guys. And the best part is it will be for absolutely free, and they even have a paid version as well, but the free version will do everything for you. Well, you can design any graphic via canva.com and sell them on Guru and freelancer.com for a decent amount of money. So as you saw, to make $250 just for a single service like this, it'll take about 5 minutes, guys. Let me show you how simple it is to make $250 with this free tool. So go over to logos, and depending on their niche, you can select a template. Actually, here you can find thousands and thousands of templates. If they are into gaming, you can choose something like this, and there are about 6,612 templates, guys. You can choose, if it's a hospital, you can choose this, doctor, badge, art or design, fashion, band, computer. You can read those, guys. So if it's a restaurant, you can choose restaurant and come over here and choose something nice, something that you'll think that will be unique. Let's choose this one, and here you can customize this template, guys. So here you can edit this text, maybe like you can play around with this, guys. You can add some elements from here, lines, shapes, graphics, photos, videos, audio. You can put audio to a logo, guys. You can put charts, frames. You can put a frame over here and put a photo inside. You can upload your photos or videos, and they even have a bunch of photos over here. They are having a gigantic gallery, and you can give some text from here, and you can choose some text templates, and you can choose the background from here. You can play around and click download over here, and you can choose to download a high quality image and just tap download, and then it will be immediately downloaded to your computer for free, just like this. And now you can deliver it to the buyer on freelancer or guru.com, and in this case you would have got paid up to $250 for this logo. Just 5 minutes of work for $250, and you can do this again and again with all the different services that are available in guru.com and freelancer.com. So definitely there's an endless stream of income when it comes to graphic designing, guys. You can do Facebook posts, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel ads, Instagram posts, flyers, brochures and many more, guys. And here's a bonus for those who have stayed until the last second of this video. You can go over to snappa.com, and here you can do the same thing that you did on canva.com, guys. So here you will find social media graphics, blogging and infographics, and Facebook ads, banner ads, some different and unique templates, guys. So you can play around with this as well and make a lot of money via guru.com and freelancer.com. And we've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like this video, share with your mates, subscribe. Thanks for watching.